dear student, here exercise 2.6 is on your screen. The question 1 is find. The first one in that is 0.2 into 6. Very simple, very easy. For how to do? Just first I request you to note down all the questions one by one. Then how to multiply I am going to teach you. So here what we are given. Please note down all the question nicely. 20.1 into 4. Then next is 0.05 into 7. Next one we are given 211.02 into 4. And the seventh we are given in that 2 into 0.86. Damn sure I will make your work easy. After my explanation, you will find it easy. Now you will say, ma'am, we did not have to show the product. No dear, we can write it direct. I am teaching you how to write it direct. See, look at your screen. The questions already we have mentioned. Forget for a while that this decimal is given. And think about the numerical part, that is 2 and 6. 2 6 ja 12. Agree? 2 6 ja 12. Now dear student, here after decimal one digit here. Okay, you can see. So after decimal one digit is here. So I need to shift one digit from this side. So if I shift here one digit, then I need to write decimal here. So the answer, the product of 0.2 with 6 is 1.2. Let's try to understand this also. Forget this decimal for a while and let's try to multiply 46 with 8. Okay. So in that case, what we have to do? We know, dear student, 8 6 ja 48. So 8 I am writing here, 4 carry over. 8 4 ja 32. 32 plus 4, 36. So I need to write here 368. But how to calculate the decimal portion? You can see on your screen immediately after decimal only one digit. The same procedure we have to apply here. We have to shift one digit from back side. So my decimal part will be here. So the product of 8 with 4.6 gives the result 36.8. Clear? Again I am asking you to forget this decimal and think about this number 271 and 5. So let's try to multiply verbally. You can see how to go with that. Very simple. 1 5 ja 5. 7 5 ja 35. 5 3 carry over. 2 5 ja 10. 10 plus 3 13. So this is the product of 271 with 5. Let's check once again. 1 5 ja 5. 7 5 ja 35. 3 carry over. 2 5 ja 10 plus 3 13. Okay. Now how to shift the digit? You can see here after decimal 2 digits are there. So we need to shift 2 digits from back side. So that we need to write decimal part here. So 13.55 is the solution for the 2.71 into 5. Let's work out on the fourth one. Remove, forget this decimal for a while and think we are given only 201 and 4. So we are going to multiply with this. So 1 4 ja 4. I need to mention 1 4 ja 4. 0 into 4 0. 2 4 ja 8. Okay. So what I have to do further? After decimal here only one digit. Same thing I have to do here. One digit I need to shift. So my decimal I need to put it here. So the product of 20.1 with 4, that gives the result 80.4. Clear? Now let's go with the integer part. Forget this decimal portion. 5 7 ja 35. So let me write 35 here first. Okay. Now after decimal you can see here 2 digit. 2 digit we need to shift from back side. This is first, this is second. If I shift this 2 digits from back side, then I need to put the decimal over here. Then what should I write here? It must be considered 0. So here it will be 0.35. Clear to you? Now, see, I am teaching you very easy technique and very easy method. Look at your screen and just try to understand again how to multiply directly without showing the calculation. Here you can see decimal part is here. Forget this decimal. Okay, and just think how to multiply 21,102 with 4. 2 4 cha 8, 0 multiplied by 4, 0, 1 4 cha 4, 1 4 cha 4, 2 4 cha 8. Clear to you? Now my dear student, here after decimal you can find 2 digit. After decimal 2 digits, so I need to shift 2 digit from back side, so the decimal will be here. So the answer is 844.08. Now same thing we are applying here for the last one. Forget this decimal and think about this 86 and 2. Let's multiply 86 with 2. So we know that 6 2 cha, let's multiply 6 with 2 first. 6 2 cha 12. 2 is here, 1 carry over. 8 2 cha 16 plus 1 17. 7, 1 carry over. 1 carry over, so it will be 1 here. Okay, so the product of 86 with 2, it gives the result 172. Now the result, it has here in the product after decimal 2 digit. So I need to shift 2 digit from back side. So here I need to put the decimal. The product of 2 with 0.86 gives the result 1.72. Here is the complete solution of question number 1, which is quite easy. So my dear student, question number 2 is on your screen. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. So let me note down length. So I am mentioning length equal to 5.7 centimeter. What is the breadth? Breadth B, that is 3 centimeter. Fine. Now what we have to do? So dear student, here I am going to multiply, because we know that the formula to find the area of a rectangle. What is the formula to find the area of a rectangle? That is length into breadth. So I am going to multiply 5.7 with 3. As usual, I taught you in the question 1, same procedure, without multiplying, without showing the calculation directly also we can do this product, for this product. Okay, so how to do with that? Just look at your screen. Forget this decimal. 7 3 cha 21. 1 here, 2 carry over. 5 3 cha 15 plus 2, that is 17. Now you can see, dear student, here immediately after decimal only 1 digit. So I need to shift 1 digit from back side here, so the decimal here will come. So the product of 5.7 with 3 gives the result 17.1. This is the product. But we have to mention the unit also. Reason behind that, the unit for length we are given centimeter. Unit for breadth we are given centimeter. As here we are finding the area. So my dear student, the unit of the area will be square centimeter. Be careful. Carefully note down the unit also. If you write centimeter here by mistake, then it will be wrong. You need to mention the correct unit in front of the proper question, whatever has been asked. Here it is area we are finding. So the answer is coming 17.1, that is square centimeter. This is the complete solution of question number 2. So my dear student, here exercise 2.6. It's a question number 3 says find. Okay. You can see the question all the way it is written on this on the board, and you can see now it is we need to multiply the given decimal number with sometimes with 10, sometimes with 100, and sometimes with 1000 also. Okay. So which type of changes when we multiply one by one we will try to understand. Okay. Now look at your screen. See here 1.3 multiply by 10. Whenever we are multiplying by 10, we need to shift one digit. After decimal, we need to shift one digit. So it will be 13 only. Reason behind that, look at your screen. This you see, this one digit we are shifting to right side. Now 36.8 multiplied by 10. Again it will be 368 because only one digit we are shifting. Same procedure 153.7 multiplied by 10. So we will have 1537. Here again now you can see here it is 2 digit. Okay, here 2 digit we are going to multiply with 10, so I need to shift only one digit. I should have here 1680.7. Okay, only one digit I need to shift. Once again I am explaining. Just look at your screen. Here in the first 3 we are multiplying with 10. Okay, 10 means how many digit? One digit we need to shift. Okay, so this is after decimal first digit, only one digit is here, so it will be 13 itself. So this will be shifted to right side. This is shifted to right side, so it is 368. This is shifted to right side, so it is 1537. This side, this 0 is shifted to this side. Okay, this 0 is shifted to this side. I need to underline this 0. Now again here we are going to multiply with 100. 100 it indicates that how many zeros we need to shift? 2. So here first this 0 if I shift, if it is 10 then I will have this. Correct? If it is 10 then I need to shift this digit only, so I will have 311. But one more 0 is here, so here it is. This is the answer because last it will be multiplied with 1. Once again I am explaining this thing. After decimal only one digit. Suppose we are having 10 here, then the answer will be 3011. Okay, but here one extra 0 because we are multiplying with 100, so that 0 will be included in the main number. Same thing is here, you can see, dear student, same number is here at the one digit. So here it is, if we have only 10, then I need to write 1561. But because of this 10 extra, I need to mention it is 1 here. Now in the next also, you see here after decimal 2 digit, and we are multiplying with 100. So this both of this digit will be shifted. So answer will be 362. Same thing is here, 2 digit and 100. So both the digits will be shifted to right side. The answer will be 4307. Here after decimal one digit and with 10. You know very well 10 means one digit we need to shift to the right side. So this 5 will move to this side, so it will become only 5. You can mention 5.0, then also it will be similar. Now be careful. Here we need to shift two digits are there and we need to shift only one digit. Because of 10 we need to shift only one digit. So what could be the answer? This 0 will move to this side, so our answer will become 0.8. This 8 will come in this place. Okay, now 0.9 into 100. Suppose think we are given only 10, and of course here it is 9 into 10. 0.9 into 10, then it will be 9. But as in the question we are given 100, so this extra 0 that will be multiplied as the right side of the 9, that is 90. Now here see, 2 digit 03. Suppose here we are having only 2 digit, we are multiplying with 100, then of course both of this digit will be shifted to right side, so our answer will be 3. Agree? But as here 3 zeros, one extra 0 is there, that's why the answer is 30. This is the complete solution of question number 3. Question number 4. A two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 kilometer in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol? Okay. So first of all, we need to mention what we are given in the question. So please write down distance covered in 1 liter of petrol. We are given the distance is, that is 55.3 kilometers. So please note down the distance covered in 1 liter of petrol is 55.3 kilometer. Good average. Now such a type of, they have 10 liters of petrol. We have to find the distance covered. Therefore, next step, distance covered in 10 liter of petrol. So it will be multiplied, right? Easy. We need to multiply 55.3 kilometer multiply by 10 liter. So my dear student, how to shift the digit, as we already understood in question 3. After decimal, one digit. Here also 10 means we will consider one digit to shift. So the answer will be 553. That is 553 kilometer distance. This is the answer. So we need to write here distance covered in 10 liter of petrol is 553 kilometer. Here to you, we need to mention, therefore distance covered in 10 liter of petrol is 553 kilometer. This is the solution of exercise 2.6. It's a question number 4. My dear student, here question number 5 is find. In that first question we are given is 2.5 multiplied by 0.3. So how to go with that? So very simple. First of all, forget for a while that you are given any decimal, right? You are given only, think that you are given 25 to be multiplied by this 3. Only think about numerical part. Let's multiply 5 3 cha 15, 1 carry over, 2 3 cha 6 plus 1 75. So the product I have done, that is 75. But how to shift the digit? So you look at your screen here, after decimal 1 digit, 1 plus 1, 2 digit we need to shift. Once again look at your screen. After decimal, one digit. After decimal, one digit. So we need to shift two digits. So which two digits I am calculating? First digit, second digit. So my decimal will be here. So what should I write here as an integer part? 0. That's why the product is coming 0.75. Let's try to understand the same thing with some more examples. Second we are given is 0.1 multiplied by 51.7. Again I request you here, forget the decimal for a while. If I forget the decimal, then I should have 1 multiplied by 517. Simple. 517 multiplied by 1. You know very well, when we multiply any number with 1, it gives the same result. So the product will be 1517. Now how to shift the decimal? Let's try to understand. Here in the question, after decimal, one digit. After decimal, one digit. 1 plus 1, two digits we need to shift. From where to shift? We need to shift from back side. So here 1 and 2 digit I am shifting. The answer will be 5.17. One more example. Let's try to understand. We are given in the question 0.2 multiplied by 316.8. Okay. So, as I told you again, forget the decimal and think we are given only this much, 3168, that we are going to multiply with 2. Okay. Don't consider decimal and think only about the numerical part which we are given. 8 2 ja 16, 6 1 carry over. 6 2 ja 12 plus 1 13, 1 carry over. 1 2 ja 2 plus 1, that is 3, and 3 2 ja 6. Okay. Once again I am checking. 8 2 ja 16, 6 1 carry over. 6 2 ja 12 plus 1 13, 3 1 carry over. 1 2 ja 2 plus 1 3, and 3 2 ja 6. The product is coming 6336. Okay. Now how to shift the decimal? Where to keep the decimal? Very simple. After decimal, one digit. After decimal, one digit. So total two digit we need to shift back side from this number. So first digit, second digit. So our answer, the decimal will be here. That is 63.36. Got it? Now we are working on the fourth. Make yourself ready for the fourth. What we are given here in the question? We are given 1.3 multiplied by 3.1. So how to go with that? 1.331. So think that you are given 13 and 31 only. So let's multiply. Forget the decimal. 3 1 cha 3, 1 1 cha 1, 3 3 cha 9, 1 3 cha 3. So the sum is coming 403. So I am writing here 403. Now how to shift the digit? We know that after decimal, here it is one digit, this also one digit. So total two digits from the back side I have to shift. So the answer is 4.03. Answer is 4.03. Next we are given 0.5 into 0.05. Very easy, dear student. Look at your screen. Simple. Think about this. We are given only 5 and this 5. What is 5 into 5? 25. Now, after decimal, we are having here one digit, agree? And here we are having two digits. So 1 plus 2. Total 3 digits we need to shift. Okay. This is 1. This is 2. So total 3 digits we need to shift. That's why this is first digit, second digit, Now where to bring? From where to bring third digit? We do not have third digit, so in place of that we insert 0. So our decimal will be here, and as usual we need to mention 0 here if we do not have any integer part. So answer is 0.025. Again I am explaining this here. Look at your screen. 5 5 ja 25. After decimal 1 digit, after decimal 2 digit. So 1 plus 2, 3 digit we need to shift. I need to shift it from back side. So first digit, second digit, but third digit is not there. So what to shift? So I need to insert 0 over here because we know that we need to shift altogether 3 digits. So our decimal will be here. The answer is 0.02. This is we have completed up to 1 to 5. Let's try to understand the same thing in better way with the further examples. So my dear student, here sixth one we are given is 11.2 multiplied by 0.15. So how to go with that? We know very well. Here 11.2, then forget this decimal, only 112 suppose. And this is 15, agree? So we need to multiply this with 15. So first I am multiplying with this, you know very well. We need to mention here it is 2 5 ja 10, 1 carry over, 1 5 ja 5 plus 1 6, 1 5 ja. This is 2 1 ja 2, 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1. So the product is coming 6 plus 2 8. 5 plus 1 6, and this is answer is 1680. The product answer is this, but how to shift the decimal? So look at your screen. After decimal 1 digit, after decimal 2 digits, 1 plus 2 3 digit we need to shift. 1 2 3. So the decimal will be here. The answer is 1.680. Let's try to understand one more example. We are given 1.07 multiplied by 0.02. Okay, very simple, very easy. As I told you, forget the decimal for a while for this. Okay, and we are given suppose 107 to be multiplied by 2 only. So 7 2 ja 14, 4, 1 carry over, 0 multiplied by 2 0, and this is 1. 1 2 ja 2. The product of these two numbers coming 214. Here, once again I am writing the product is coming 214. Now dear student, very important step. Look at your screen, I am explaining. Here is this the after decimal 2 digit. After decimal 2 digit. 2 plus 2, 4 digits we need to shift. 1, 2, 3. Then what to do? To bring the fourth digit, I need to insert 0 here, and here it will be decimal, and this is 0. So the answer is 0.0214. Let's go with the next. What we are given? In the 8th, we are given 10.05 multiplied by 1.05. Okay, so we need to go with the product of which number? 1005 multiplied by 105. Okay, let's understand the multiplication. So we will have here 5 5 ja 25, 2 carry over. So it will be 2 here, 0 multiplied by 5 0, 1 5 ja 1. Then again when we multiply 0 with any number, it gives the result 0. And as usual, we need to shift this 2 digit. 1 5 ja 5, 0 1 ja 0, 0 1 ja 0, and 1 1 ja. So the sum is 5 2 5 5 0 and 5. So the product is coming here 105525. Okay, this product is common. You know very well how to multiply. It depend on you. Now I'm going to teach you how to shift the decimal. After decimal, two digit, two digit. After decimal, two digit, two digit. 2 plus 2, 4 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So decimal will be here. 10.5525. Now go with the 9. What we are given in the 9? 101.01 multiply by 0.01. Okay, so very simple, very easy, dear student. The number we have to multiply. What is the numerical part? Forget this decimal. Then the number will become 10,101 multiplied by 1. So you know very well, if we multiply with the 1 any number, then it gives the same result. So the product will come 10101. Got it? Now here after decimal 2 digit, here also 2 digits. 2 plus 2, 4 digits. So let's shift the 4 digit from the back side of the answer. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be here 1.010. This is the solution. Let's have the 10. The 100.01 multiplied by 1 month. 1.1 means 11. Okay. So this I need to see. This I need to show here. If I forget this decimal, then I need to multiply 10,001 with 11. Okay. So I'm showing you here at the side by side. We are doing this. So, my dear student, here 10001 multiplied by 11. Okay. So 1 1 cha 1, 0 into 1 0, 0 into 1 0, 0 into 1 0, and 1 1 cha 1. Now as usual again 1 1 cha 1, then 3 zeros will be there and then 1. The sum is coming this. So I have the product of these number is 110011. This is the product coming. Okay. But how to shift the digit? Here after decimal 2 digit. Here 1 digit. 2 plus 1, 3 digit total we need to shift. 1, 2, 3. So our answer will be this way. Answer is 110.011. This is the complete solution of exercise 2.6. This exercise is over here, and this exercise is most important to understand the concepts of multiplication in the decimal form. Yeah.